Look at this thing. Fish on. Yes. Yes. Fish on. Fish off. Let's go jigging. Hey, you guys. My voice sounded weird. I am out here today at a fire pond, and I debated bringing my kayak, but full transparency, I just didn't feel like it. It's a lot. Like, it's a lot to get my car set up. I don't have a truck. I really want a truck. It's like my goal in the future. Because you guys know I have kids, and I have to take the car seats out, and then I have to put the seats down, and then I have to put a tarp down and then load my kayak, and that's all great. Like, that's when I have the most energy. It's like when I'm packing, because I'm excited. And then I lug the kayak into the pond, and I just sound like I'm making excuses, but I just get tired. Since I'm bank fishing, I'm going to do my typical setup where I have a rod in the water with a bobber, and I brought night crawlers and plaxworms for those. And then my other one I'll go jigging with, and I can switch it up, but I really hope I get to touch a fish today, because I just feel better. I don't care if it's a monster trophy, that's ideal, but if not, even if it's small, I just feel more connected when I get to touch them. Yeah. Fingers crossed. There's no clouds in the sky, so it makes me a little nervous, because those are the hardest fishing days because of the pressure. But I'm going to stay hopeful, and I'm not going to stop trying. I ain't getting skunked today. I'll tell you that. I ain't getting skunked today. I mean, I can't be out here for 9 hours, because I have a lot to do, but yeah. All right, I'm going to get all rigged up, and we're going to go jigging. Oh, think twice. Just another day in paradise. Rocking out to some Phil Collins on the way here. That was a solid tie. I'm just saying. Alright. No, there's all different kinds of barbers. I like these wood ones, or I like the old school style. Personally, but I mean, I guess everyone's different. And I'm not gonna go very deep, I don't think. For some reason, I just have this gut feeling this is going to be a nightmare. And I think it's because there's a lot of vegetation. And typically, oh gosh, you guys are wild. These are some wild worms. I'm going to pick the smaller one right now. I don't feel like getting juicy this early. I know, I'm sorry. This hook is bent, actually. That's a problem. That's not going to do much. What is this black stuff that comes out of the worm? Can I just ask? Is it what I think it is? Is it dodo? I mean, I guess all they eat is dirt, so it can't be that gross, but still. But I also, I don't know if you guys know this, but, well, you know I'm a nurse. Or the people that follow me know I'm a nurse, but I do colonoscopies all day. So I'm kind of an expert in that area, in dealing with poop. That looks better. Yeah, okay. All right, I don't know my angle. And I got to keep my worms in the shade because they don't like heat. So, here, okay. Let's see again. I'm keeping it real shallow. All right, I just need to go. Ah! There you go. All right, for real, Jess. You just need to go up. So I'm gonna do this because that was horrible. And I just scared a fish. Oh my gosh. Am I recording? Bobber's gone. There's a fish on there. Oh my gosh, it scared me. Okay. It's like, what is that? Okay. It's a bluegill. It's a little bluey. Okay, ready? I don't want to hurt you. My Nasty Nates stuff. Yep, here it is, Nasty Nates. You know what color I've never tried that I just saw in that box is purple. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried purple. No idea why. Let's try purple. So it looks like. Fish on. Gosh, another bluegill caught in junk. Where's your bass? Dang, this hook is really in there. Sorry. Alright, y'all. It's starting to get real hot. Like, real hot. So, you know what else we're going to turn the heat up on? Catching fish. I know, these worms are feeling it too, man. I should have brought a cooler. I need to bring a cooler just to put when I have worms or hot dogs or whatever. Fish on. Don't come off. Holy crap. Oh, it's not that big. It's just, don't jump. Sir. Son of a biscuit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so funny. Did you guys see that? It was caught on all this vegetation. And then it let go and don't. That's so funny. Dang, this one's a fighter. On this little freaking hook too. Okay. Whoop, whoop. I got some serious ick on me. Fish on. Did it come off? Nope. Dang. Not too shabby. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Calm down. Something taking it. That's a dark one, but it's pretty. No, not in that line. Okay. These little bass are fighters. I tell you what. Oh my gosh. Please. I know, I feel like I don't want to squish you. I know, I know. I cannot catch this fish to save my life. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Not that big. Not that big. Another buyer. So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Just going through some personal stuff, which I'm debating on talking about, but need to put a little more thought into it. But I do stay really active on my Instagram, so if you want to check some things out there, it's Jigging with Jess. And I have been fishing, just working on getting caught up with my content. But I just want to thank you all for your support, and it actually means a lot to me that some of you have noticed that I haven't been uploading. So I'm going to make it a priority to get my stuff out there, and I'm happy to hear you guys like it. Definitely recommend Nasty Nate's, which is what I used. No, I'm not sponsored. There's no partnership or anything. I just really think their stuff works. So you can check them out on Facebook if you're interested. I don't get paid or any money for saying that, but I'm excited to have another video out, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and don't forget to stay tuned for a typical Jess moment. I know about this tree. Ooh, son of a biscuit. I literally just said I had to watch out for you. And what do? I get it caught in a freaking branch with a freaking treble hook. Can I just say, that is ridiculous, Jess. Come on. Man. Oh, dang it. Now that worm, you know what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna hook a bird, and I'm not even be able to help it. A bird is going to sit in that branch and try to eat that worm and not know that it's on a hook, and it's gonna get hooked. Oh, I don't have a ladder. And that's a birch. I can't climb that tree. Oh, dang it. Man. That's a bummer. That makes me sad. Well, you know, the truth is, this is reality of fishing, okay? Because there's a lot of content out there that, like, shows all the good, all the, like, the truth is, there's a lot of content creators out there that only show, like, the smooth part of fishing. You know, like, oh, it's so peaceful and relaxing and perfect and nothing goes wrong. And let me say, fishing is absolutely peaceful, but you have to get there in your own mind first, because things are not going to go smooth. You're going to have issues. Things are going to happen. But you just have to stay grounded and calm, and you have to let things go. Like, I have to let go. That's up there. I just have to do it. I just have to do it. And I guess you can't hook a beak, right? I don't think you can. It's just gonna be if try. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. The worm's gonna dry out super fast. I hope it doesn't suffer, but and then the bird won't even know it was a worm. It's just gonna think it's a dry, sticky branch, and it's not gonna want to try to eat it. Yep, that's what's gonna happen.